Hey Google, driving mode.
Opening driving mode.
On your way to John F. Kennedy International Airport, there's much heavier traffic than usual. You might want to take the route via 5th Avenue and East 36th Street since it's slightly faster. Head southwest on 5th Avenue toward Doris C. Friedman Place, Grand Army Plaza.
Hey Google, show petrol stations.
Here's what I found along your route for gas stations.
Hey Google, show hospitals.
Here's what I found along your route for hospitals.
Hey Google, show traffic.
There's heavy traffic. You should reach your destination by 9:19 p.m.
Okay Google, call XYZ.
Calling XYZ.
Welcome to Airtel. We are always open to your questions. You can share your questions with us on Airtel Thanks app. For prepaid services, press 1.
Call from 020-3357-5741. Do you want to pick it up?
Yes.
Welcome to Amazon customer service. Please hold on while we pull up the account related to this number.
Call from 020-3357-5741. Do you want to pick it up?
No. Hey Google, read latest message.
You've got new messages from ARWINF, QPSARTAK, +1 590390001 and 2 others. The first one is a text from phone number +1 590390001. Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
Hi, will you be coming to office tomorrow? Do you want to reply?
Yes.
Unread. Do you want to reply?
Play my driving beats.
Okay, your Spotify playlist called My Driving Beats. Here you go.
Next. Previous. Stop music. Remind me tomorrow.
Got it, on Wednesday. At what time?
8 p.m.
Alright, on Wednesday at 8 p.m. What's the reminder?
Pick up groceries.
Okay, I'll remind you on Wednesday at 8 p.m.
Hey Google. Driving mode.
Opening driving mode.
On your way to John F. Kennedy International Airport, there's much heavier traffic than usual. You might want to take the route via 5th Avenue and East 36th Street since it's slightly faster. Head southwest on 5th Avenue toward Doris C. Friedman Place, Grand Army Plaza.
என்ன பண்ண